Look, let's be honest. Building something amazing online, a YouTube channel, a killer social presence, a side hustle, it feels impossible sometimes. You hit that wall where you realize to look professional, you need the expensive gear, the complicated software, the premium subscriptions. I mean, who can afford $50 a month for one tool or $150 for the whole suite? Here's the secret they don't want you to know. You don't need any of it. I've spent the last 6 months digging deep, wading through the digital noise, and I have found the ultimate cheat code. Today, I'm giving you the keys to the castle. We are covering 3 mind-blowing, 100% free AI tools that will instantly upgrade your content, save you hundreds of dollars, and make you look like you hired a full-time design team. If you've ever felt stressed or overwhelmed by the cost and complexity of creation, this video is your permission slip to stop paying and start dominating. No credit card required, 0 skill needed. Let's start with the face of your brand, the logo. Most people drop $50 on Fiverr or waste hours in Canva trying to get it right. We're doing it in less than 60 seconds using Namecheap's free AI logo maker. I'm going to Namecheap's free AI logo maker. All I do is type in my niche, let's say AI education. It asks for my brand vibe. Boom! Look at the quality of these designs. We've got geometric, script, minimal. These look like they came straight from a fancy agency. I'll pick this clean, modern one. I can tweak the colors. I can change the font. And guess what? You can download the high-resolution files, the PNGs, the SVGs for free. No strings attached. Why is this a game changer? Because your logo is your first impression. Stop using blurry text and generic clip art. This tool instantly gives you that professional polish that tells the world, I'm serious about this. It just removed a massive, expensive barrier to entry. This is step 1 to looking like $1 million for $0. Okay, you look professional. Now you need killer content, the kind that gets clicks and stops the scroll. We all know the pain. You finish a video, and then you spend another hour agonizing over the description, the title, the social media promotion. That's where you hit the fatigue wall. I'm calling this tool the Viral Keyword Machine, and it's the free version of ChatGPT. Forget simple Q&A. This is a copywriting powerhouse. I give it a simple, powerful prompt. Watch this. I'm making it act like a viral YouTube copywriter. I tell it to write 5 title options for a video about 3 free AI tools that save money and that the titles must be urgent and use the words stop paying. You have to give it a roll to get the best results. Now let's see what it spits out. That's the winner. This isn't just about writing. This AI understands what headlines get clicks and what keywords the YouTube algorithm is hungry for. It allows you to produce the quantity of content promotion you need while maintaining the quality of a professional copywriter. I use ChatGPT to brainstorm 90% of my video ideas and titles. It saves me hours. And yes, the standard version is absolutely free and perfect for this. Now that you've got the look and the words, let's talk visuals. Specifically, let's talk thumbnails. Your thumbnail is 90% of the battle. If it looks bad, no one clicks, and your genius video never gets seen. And nothing screams amateur louder than a poorly cut out image or a low-resolution graphic. This is your life before PhotoGrid's AI tools. Pixelated, ugly, looks like it was taken on a potato. Step 1, clean up the image. We use the background remover on PhotoGrid. Watch this. One click and that messy background is gone, leaving a perfect, clean edge. But wait, the image is still a little small for a high-res thumbnail. Now, we run it through the AI Upscaler feature, still on PhotoGrid. The AI doesn't just stretch it, it intelligently rebuilds the image, making it bigger and better. This is the difference between a thumbnail that gets clicked and one that gets scrolled right past. This is the definition of looking PRO. You can now command attention because your visuals are flawless. The best part? PhotoGrid's Image Upscaler is 100% free with no watermark and no sign-up. That's truly free, people. So there you have it. 3 incredible, powerful, free AI tools that completely wipe out your excuses and eliminate the need for those expensive, complicated subscriptions. Remember, Namecheap's free AI logo maker, instant professional identity, ChatGPT, viral keywords, and engaging titles. PhotoGrid's AI tools, flawless, high-quality visuals and thumbnails. This is what I want you to do today. I want you to pick one of these tools and implement it right now. Don't wait for Monday. Don't wait until you have more time. Your audience is waiting for you to level up. I have dropped the direct links to all 3 of these tools in the description below so you can get started immediately. I need to know, which of these 3 tools completely blew your mind? Drop the name or the number in the comments right now. Let's start a conversation about what you're going to build next. If this video saved you even $1 or 1 hour of stress, please smash that like button and of course, subscribe to Kimberly Quinn AI. I'm here to show you exactly how to turn that simple sand into shining gold using AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!